The tangent of the angle between the curves xy is equal to 1 and x square plus 8y is equal to 0. That is, given curves are xy is equal to 1. From that, y is equal to 1 by x and x square plus 8y is equal to 0. Substituting y value, that is x square plus 8 by x is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. X cube is equal to minus 8, that is equal to minus 8 is minus 2 whole cube. From this, x is equal to minus 2. And substituting in this, y is equal to 1 by minus 2, y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, point x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1 by 2. And y is equal to 1 by x. Take differentiation, that is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x square is 4. The slope of the first curve is m1 is equal to minus 1. And the second curve is x square plus 8y is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 8y dash is equal to 0. Y dash is equal to minus x by 4. That is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the slope of the second curve m2 is equal to by 2. Now tangent angle, we know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is m1 minus 1 by 4, m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 8. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 8 by 7. 4 2 times cancel, 6 by 7. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 6 by 7. If the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point 1 comma 2 makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with the positive x-axis, then f dash 1 is, this is TSM set 2019 question. Here is theta is given, that is theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. We find slope m is equal to tan theta, that is tan of 3 pi by 4. So this is written as tan of 3 pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4 is equal to tan 180 minus theta second quadrant, that is minus tan pi by 4. Therefore, slope m is equal to minus 1. And the given curve is y is equal to f of x. Here normal line, that means first we find the tangent slope, that is dy by dx is equal to f dash x. This is slope m at 1 comma 2, that is equal to f dash of. Therefore, normal slope is equal to minus 1 by f dash of 1. So minus 1 by f dash of 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus cancel, f dash 1 is equal to 1. Answer. If any point x1 y1 on the curve y is equal to f of x, the length of the subtangent and subnormal are equal, then the length of the tangent drawn to that curve at that point is, this is TSM set 2019 question. Here is given length of subtangent, that is LST is equal to length of subnormal, LSM. So length of the subtangent is y by m at the point x1 y1, that is y1 by m. Length of the subnormal y1 into m, where here m is equal to dy by dx. So both sides y1 cancel, 1 by m is equal to m. From this, m square is equal to 1, m is equal to r minus 1. That means dy by dx plus r minus 1. Therefore, now we find the length of the tangent. Length of tangent is equal to y1 by m into the root of 1 plus m square. Substituting m value, y1 into root over 1 plus by modulus of 1, that is equal to root 2 into modulus of y1. This is the length of the tangent. The coordinates of a point on the curve x is equal to a into theta plus sine theta, y is equal to a into 1 minus, where the tangent is inclined at an angle pi by 4 to the positive x-axis is. This is TSM set 2019 question. So here is given theta is given, that theta is equal to pi by 4, means slope m is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4. Therefore slope m is equal to, so m means dy by dx is equal to 1. So dy by dx means dy by dt by dx by dt. This is equal to 1. Dy by dt, derivative of y, that is a into 1 minus cos theta derivative, a sin theta, by a into 1 plus cos theta. This is equal to a cancel. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 cos theta by 2 cancel. So therefore tan theta by 2 is equal to 1. So theta by 2 is equal to pi by 4. So theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore substituting theta is equal to pi by 2 in the given lines, given curves, that is x is equal to a into theta, that is pi by 2 plus sine pi by 2, comma a into 1 minus cos pi by 2, that is equal to a into pi by 2 plus sine pi by 2, 1, comma a into 1 minus cos pi by 2, cos 90 0, that is a. So the coordinates of the point on the curve is a into pi by 2 plus 1, comma a. The normal at any point on the curve x is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, always passes through the fixed point. TSM set 2018 question. Here is given curves are x is equal to a plus a cos theta. From this x minus a is equal to a cos theta. And second curve is y is equal to a sin theta. Squaring and adding these two equations, that is x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin theta is equal to, take a square common, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, is equal to a square. So x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the equation of a circle. So here the normal at any point on the curve passes through the fixed point. Circle is, this is the given circle, center is a comma 0 and the radius is equal. Normal line always passes through the center of the circle. Normal line passes through the fixed point is center. The center is a 0, that is answer. If y is equal to 2x is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to ax cube plus b at 1 comma 2, then a comma b is. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given y is equal to 2x is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to ax cube plus b. That means slopes are equal. Slope of this line m1 is equal to 2 and 2y into y dash is equal to 3ax square. So this y dash is equal to 3ax square by 2y. So y dash at the given point 1 comma 2, that means that is 3a into x square, 1 square is 1, 2y into 2 into 2, 4, that is slope. Second slope is 3a by 8. So slopes are equal, that is 2 is equal to 3a by 8. 2y is 2 into 2, 4, that is 3a by 4 is equal to 2. From this a is equal to 8 by 3. This is the a value. So and given curve is y square is equal to ax cube plus b. So y square is equal to a value, that is 8 by 3 x cube plus b. This curve passes through the point 1 comma 2. Substituting 1 comma 2 in this curve equation, that is 4 is equal to 8 by 3 plus b. So b is equal to 4 minus 8 by 3, that is equal to 12 minus 8 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore a comma b is equal to 8 by 3 comma 4 by 3. The slope of the tangent to the curve f of x is equal to tan h inverse of sin x at x is equal to pi is. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given curve y is equal to f of x. Now we find the slope of this curve. Y is equal to f of x is given tan h inverse of sin x. From this, tan hy is equal to sin x. Now take differentiation on both sides. Tan hy differentiation, that is secant h square y into derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to sin x derivation cos x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to cos x by sec h square y. So this dy by dx is equal to cos x by secant h square y, that is 1 minus tan h square y. Here is given tan hy is equal to sin x. Tan hy is equal to sin x. X value at x is equal to pi. Tan hy is equal to sin pi. Sin pi value is 0. From this y is equal to 0. So substituting in this equation, that is dy by dx at x is equal to pi and y is equal to 0 is, that is cos pi by 1 minus tan h square of 0, that is equal to cos pi minus 1 by 1 minus tan h0 is 0. Therefore slope is equal to minus 1. This is the slope of the tangent to the curve. The angle between the curves y is equal to sin 2x and y is equal to cos 2x is. This is TSM set 2018 question. 2018. So here is given curves are y is equal to sin 2x and y is equal to cos 2x. That means sin 2x is equal to cos 2x. From this, tan 2x is equal to 1. So that is 2x is equal to pi by 4. So x is equal to pi by 8. Now we find the slope of the first curve y is equal to sin 2x. That is dy by dx is equal to sin 2x derivation. Cos 2x into 2x derivation is 2. That is 2 cos 2x. This slope m1 at x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 8, that is 2 into 2 cos 2 pi by 8, that is equal to 2 into cos pi by 4, that is equal to 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. This is the slope of the first curve and slope of the second curve, that is y is equal to cos 2x, that is dy by dx is equal to cos 2x derivation minus 2 sin 2x. So slope m2 at x is equal to pi by 8 minus 2 sine of 2 into pi by 8, that is 2 4 times cancel. It is equal to minus 2 into sine 45 1 by root 2, that is equal to minus root 2. We know that angle tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 modulus by 1 plus m1 m2. m1, that is root 2 minus of minus root 2 plus root 2 by 1 plus m1 m2, that is 1 plus root 2 into minus root 2. Therefore tan theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 1 minus 2 modulus, that is equal to 2 root 2. Tan theta is equal to 2 root 2. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 root 2. This is the angle between the given curves. The ratio between the length of subtangent at any point other than origin on the parabola y square is equal to 16ax and the abscissa of that point is. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given parabola is y square is equal to 16ax. Let p(x1, y1) be any point on the parabola other than the origin. So now we find slope, that is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 16a. So dy by dx is equal to 8a by y. So this dy by dx at the point P equal to 8a by y1. So now length of subtangent LST is equal to y1 by m, that is equal to y1 by m is 8a by y1, that is equal to y1 square by 8a. We know that y1 square is given in the problem, that is 16ax by 8a. 16ax1, that is a cancelled, 2 times cancelled, that is 2x1. So here is asking the ratio between the length of the subtangent and abscissa of that point. Abscissa of that point is x1. So LST is 2x1 by x1. x1 cancelled, that is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore ratio is equal to 2:1. If the curves x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 and x square by 16 minus y square by k is equal to 1, cut each other orthogonally. A value is TSM set 2018 question. I solve this problem by shortcut. So if ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1. If these two curves are orthogonal, the condition is 1 by a minus 1 by a1 is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by b1. Applying this formula for this problem, here is a value is 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by a1 value is 1 by 16 equal to 1 by b, that is 1 by 9 minus 1 by b1, that is minus 1 by k plus 1 by k. So 4 minus 16 is equal to 9 plus k. 4 minus 16 minus 12 is equal to 9 plus k. So therefore k is equal to minus 12 minus 9, that is equal to minus 21. A value is minus 21. If the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to ax cube plus bx plus 4 at 2, 14 is 21, then the values of a and b respectively. This is TSM set 2017 question. Here is given curve is y is equal to ax cube plus bx plus 4. So this curve passes through the point 2, 14. Substituting this point on that curve, 14 is equal to ax cube, that is 8a plus 2b. From this 8a plus 2b is equal to 10. This is the first equation. And a given curve have slope 21, that means dy by dx is equal to of that curve is, that is 3ax square plus b equal to 21. This slope at 2, 14, substituting x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2, that is 2 square is 4 plus b equal to 21. So 12a plus b is equal to 21. B is equal to 21 minus 12a. Substituting the b value in this first equation, that is 8a, 2b, that is 2 into 21 minus 12a equal to 10. That is 8a plus 2 into 21, 42 minus 24a is equal to 10. So 8a minus 24a, that is minus 6a, is equal to 10 minus 42 minus 32. A is equal to, substituting a value in b, that is 21 minus 12a, that is 21 minus, so b is equal to minus 3. So a value is 2, b value is minus 3. Here first option is correct answer. The equation of tangent to the curve x by a whole power n plus y by b whole power n is equal to 2 at a comma b. This is TSM set 2017 question. Here is given curve is x to the power of n by a to the power of n plus y to the power of n by b to the power of n is equal to 2. So now we find the equation of tangent. First we find slope. derivative of this curve. That means take differentiation with respect to x, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1 by a to the power of n plus n into y to the power of n minus 1 by b to the power of n into derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of 2e. So n common and cancel. This dy by dx at point a comma b, that is x comma y is equal to a comma b. Substituting in this equation, that is a to the power of n minus 1 by a power n plus b power n minus 1 by b power n into dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 1 by a plus 1 by b into dy by dx is equal to 0. From this dy by dx is equal to minus b by a. This is the slope of the tangent. Now we find tangent equation. That is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into minus x1. So y minus y1, y minus b is equal to minus b by a into x minus a. Y minus b by b is equal to minus x plus a by a. That is y by b minus b by b is equal to minus x by a plus a by a. Here a cancel, b cancel. That is y by b minus 1 is equal to minus x by a plus 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2. Equation of tangent is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. This is the answer. The area of the triangle formed by the positive x-axis and the tangent and normal to the curve x square plus y square is equal to 16a square at the point 2 root 2a comma 2 root 2a is. This is TSMCET 2016 question. So here is given curve is x square plus y square is equal to 16a square. Take differentiation on both sides, that is 2x plus 2y y dash is equal to 0. So from this y dash is equal to minus x by y. So this y dash at given point is minus x by y, that is equal to minus 2 root 2a by 2 root 2a. So this value cancelled, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore slope is equal to minus. So now we find the area of the triangle formed by the x-axis and tangent and normal. This is direct shortcut formula, that is delta is equal to y square into 1 plus m square by 2 mod m. This is the area of the triangle formed by the tangent and normal and the x-axis. Substituting all the values in this equation, that is y square. Y square means 2 root 2a square into 1 plus m square, that is slope minus 1 whole square is 1 by 2 mod m, that is 2 into modulus of minus 1. That is 2 root 2a whole square, that is 8a square into 2 by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore area of the triangle delta is equal to 8a square. The length of the segment of the tangent line to the curve x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t at any point on the curve cut off by the coordinate axis. This is TSMCET 2016. First we find the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx is equal to, this is parametric differentiation, this is dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt, that is 3a sin square t into sin t derivative is cos t by derivative of x is 3a cos square t into cos t derivative is minus sin t. Here is 3a cancel, 1 sin t cancel, cos t cancel, that is equal to minus sin t by cos t. This is the slope of the tangent line. Now the equation of the tangent line is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1, that is a sin cube t equal to m minus sin t by cos t into x minus a cos cube t. So that is, this is y minus a sin cube t by sin t is equal to minus x plus a cos cube t by cos t, multiplying by minus. This is y by sin t minus a sin cube t by sin t, that is a sin square t, is equal to minus x by cos t plus a cos cube t by cos t, is a cos square t. So that is x by cos t plus y by sin t is equal to a cos square t plus a sin square t. So here is a common, that is equal to a into cos square t plus sin square t is 1. From this, x by a cos t plus y by a sin t is equal to 1. This tangent line cuts the coordinate axis at 2 points, on x-axis at a and y-axis at b. The point a is, put y is equal to 0, that is a cos t comma 0, and the point b, put x is equal to 0, is 0 comma a sin. Now we find the distance AB. AB is equal to under root of a square cos square t plus a square sin square t. Take a square common, under root of a square into sin square t plus cos square t, that value is 1, is equal to a. So the length of the segment of the tangent line cuts the coordinate axis. AB is equal to a. If the line y is equal to minus 4x plus b is a tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x, then b value is TSM set 2015 question. Here is given line y is equal to minus 4x plus b. So slope m is equal to minus 4. And the given curve is y is equal to 1 by x. Slope of this, that is dy by dx, is equal to 1 by x derivative, that is minus 1 by x square. This line is a tangent to this curve, that means slopes are equal, that is minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by x square. From this, x square is equal to 1 by 4, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2, the x value. Substituting x value in the given curve, y is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the point x comma y is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 comma plus or minus 2. Now substituting this point in the given line, that is equal to y is equal to minus 4x plus b. So y value is 2, that is equal to minus 4 into x value 1 by 2 plus b. So 2 times cancel, is 2 is equal to minus plus b. Therefore b is equal to 4. The values of b is 4. That's the answer. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to integration of 0 to x 1 by 1 plus t cube dt at the point where x is equal to 1 is MSET 2015 question. Here is given curve y is equal to integration of 0 to x 1 by 1 plus t cube into dt. So take differentiation, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation integration cancel, that is 1 by 1 plus x cube. This dy by dx at x is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 cube, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to 1 by 2. The number of points on the parabola y square is equal to x at which the slope of the normal drawn at the point is equal to the x coordinate of that point is. This is TSM set 2020 question. So given parabola is y square is equal to x. We take any one of the point, let p x1 y1 be any point on the parabola, that is point lies on the parabola, that is y1 square is equal to x1. So now take differentiation, that is 2y into dy by dx, that is equal to 1. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. This dy by dx at the point p x1 y1 equal to 1 by 2 y1. So this is the tangent slope, normal slope, that is normal slope equal to minus 2y1. This normal slope is equal to the x coordinate of that point, that means 2 minus 2y1 is equal to x1. So substituting x1 value in the given equation, that is y1 square is equal to x1. x1 means minus 2y1, that is y1 square plus 2y1 is equal to 0. Take y1 common, y1 plus 2 is 0. From this y1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to minus 2. Substituting y1 is equal to 0, that is x1 is equal to 0, and y1 is equal to minus 2, that is x1 is equal to 4. So the points are 0 comma 0 comma 4 comma minus 2. So therefore number of points lies on the parabola is the points. Let alpha comma beta be two roots of the quadratic equation x square plus ax minus b is equal to 0. If the straight line x cos theta plus sin theta is equal to touches the curve x by alpha whole power n by beta power n and alpha comma value of a by b whole square plus 2 by b is equal to, this is CSM set. Here is given alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Square plus ax minus b is equal to 0. From this alpha plus beta is equal to minus a and alpha beta is equal, and the given straight line x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to c touches the curve. That means this line is a tangent to this curve. Equation of the curve is a alpha power n into x power n plus y power n by beta power n is equal to 2. So take differentiation, that is 1 by alpha power n into x power n differentiation n x to the power of n minus 1, 1 by beta power n into n y to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of y is 1. So this dy by dx at alpha comma beta, that means x, substitute x is equal to alpha, y is equal to beta, that is n alpha power n minus 1 by alpha power n beta power minus 1 y dash is equal to 0. So n by alpha by beta dash is equal to n common and cancelled, y dash by beta is equal to minus 1 by alpha. So y dash is equal to minus beta by alpha. This is the slope of the tangent. So now tangent equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to, so m into x minus x1, y minus beta equal to m by alpha into x minus y by beta, beta by beta, that is 1 is equal to minus x by alpha plus alpha by alpha, x by alpha plus y by beta equal to 2. This is beta x plus alpha is equal to alpha. This is tangent equation. Given tangent in the problem is cos theta y sin theta is equal to c. Getting the x coefficients, that is cos alpha by beta is equal to sin alpha by alpha, that is cos theta by alpha is equal to theta phi by beta. So this cos theta equal to, this is 2 alpha beta, that is c by 2 alpha and beta. we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, that is c square 4 alpha square plus c square by 4 beta square is equal to 1. So square by 4 common, that is 1 by alpha equal to 4. 1 by alpha square by whole square is equal to 4 by c square. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square is equal to 4 by c square. Alpha plus beta whole square, that is a square, minus 2 alpha beta, that is plus 2b, by alpha beta whole square, that is b square is equal to 4 by c square. This square by b square, b by b square is equal to by c square. This is a by b whole square plus 2 by b is equal to 4 by c. So value of a by b whole square plus 2 by b is equal to 4 by c square. The perpendicular distance from origin to the normal drawn at any point on the curve to a theta theta sin is equal to into sin theta minus cos theta. This is TSM 2027. To find the normal equation, first slope of that curve is dy by dx. This dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by d theta. This is parametric difference. So dy by dt, derivative of y is, that is a into sin theta derivative cos theta minus theta into cos theta derivative minus sin theta. It is sin theta minus cos theta by a into cos theta derivative sin theta into sin theta derivative cos theta plus sin theta into here minus theta. A cancel. Theta sin theta by theta cos is equal to sin theta theta cancel. This is the slope of the normal. Slope normal equal to minus cos by theta. Normal equation minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x is the slope of normal. Y minus y1, that is minus a sin theta cos theta equal to slope minus cos theta by sin theta to x minus x minus a into cos theta plus multiplication, that is y sin theta minus a sin theta into sin theta, that is minus a sin square theta theta cos theta into a, that is equal to minus x cos theta minus plus a cos square theta plus a sin theta cos theta. Both sides a theta sin theta cancel. From this x sin theta plus x cos theta, that is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to, take a common, sin square theta. Value is 1, that is a. This is the normal equation. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. Here is asking the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from origin to the normal. This perpendicular distance is mod c by square root of a square plus mod c, that is modulus of minus a by under root of a square x coefficient, that is cos square t. Value is 1, therefore tangent and normal onto the curve x equal to a into theta plus b is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Theta is equal to pi by 2. The x-axis at respect angle P is given curve is x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y is equal to into 1 minus is given theta is equal to pi by 2. So substituting in this, therefore the point x comma y is a into pi by 2 plus sin 90 comma a into, this is the point. I will solve this problem by shortcut. That means here let y is equal to f of x any curve. The tangent line, these two lines cuts the axis at capital A, capital B. This is any point P. The area of this triangle. So area of the triangle delta is equal to y1 square into 1 plus m square by 2 mod m. This is the area of the triangle formed by tangent, normal and the x-axis. Here m is of the m is d. Saying this form, you find equal to dy by dx is equal to, that is dy by dx means dy by d theta dx by d theta, dy by d theta a into 1 minus cos derivative, that is by a into 1 plus cos theta, and the sin theta by theta. Therefore slope m at theta is equal to pi by 2 sin 90 by 1 plus cos 90. So sin 90 1 by 1 plus cos 90 0, the slope of the curve. Therefore delta is equal to, so shortcut formula y1 square into 1 plus m by, so y1 square here is square plus 1 plus m square plus 1 plus 1 square 1 2 into mod m 2s, that is equal to a. So area of the triangle delta is a square. X1 comma x belongs to n. A line having slope 2 is a tangent to the curve is equal to x power 4 minus 13x minus 10x plus 5. The points P x1 y1 x2 y2, then the value of x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is, this is TSM set 2020 question. Here is given slope to the curve, tangent to the curve is equal to x cube 13x minus x plus 5. So now we find first x, that dy by dx is equal to x power 4 derivative, that is as 18x minus 10. This slope is given in the problem is 2, that is 4x cube minus 18 26x 10 minus 2 minus 12 is equal to, so take 2 common, is 2 minus 9x plus 13x minus 12 is equal to 0. So factors of this is equal to 1 satisfied, that is x minus is equal. So the values of x are x equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 by 2. Here x1 x2 belongs to natural numbers, so 3 by 2 is equal and x equal to. So we find y value, y is equal to y1, substituting x1 is equal to 1 in the equation, that is 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 13 minus 10 plus 10, that is 3, putting x is equal to 2. Therefore y2 is equal to 5. Now we find the value of x1 x2 plus y1 that is x1 x2 into 2 plus y1 y2 into 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. If the curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and cx square plus dy square is equal to 1 intersect orthogonally, then the value of b minus a by d minus c is. This is TSM set 2020 question. So we know that. So I solve this problem by shortcut. So if the curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1, these two curves are orthogonal. Orthogonal means condition for this is that is 1 by a minus 1 by a1, that is a coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is a1. This is written as 1 by a minus 1 by a1 is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by b1. This is the condition for given curves are orthogonal, applying this formula here. So x square coefficient is a, that is 1 by a, here x square coefficient is c, that is 1 by c is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by d. From this 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by c minus 1 by d. So that is take LCM, that is b minus a by ab is equal to d minus c by cd. From this b minus a by d minus c is equal to ab by dc. That is the answer. The area of the triangle formed by tangent and normal drawn to the curve x by 3 whole power n plus y by 4 whole power n is equal to at 3, 4 and x-axis. So I solve this problem by shortcut, that is area of the triangle formed by the tangent and the normal and the x-axis is delta area is equal to y1 square into 1 plus m square by 2 mod m. This is the direct shortcut formula. Area of the triangle formed by the tangent and normal and x-axis to the curve. So first we find the slope. Slope means dy by dx, that is m. So here is given x power n by 3 to the power of n plus y power n by 4 power n is equal to 2. So derivative of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1 by 3 to the power of n plus n into y to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of y dash by 4 power n is equal to 0. So n common and cancelled. So this dy by dx at 3, 4, that means substituting x value 3 and y value 4, that is 3 to the power of n minus 1 by 3 power n plus 4 power n minus 1 by 4 power n into y dash is equal to 0. 3 power n minus 1 by 3 power n, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into y dash is equal. So y dash is equal to minus 4 by 3. So slope m is equal to minus 4 by 3. And substituting in the formula, delta is equal to y1 square, that is 16 into 1 plus m square, that is 16 by 9 by 2 mod m, that is 2 into 4 by 3. That is equal to 16 into 9 plus 16, 25 by 9 by 8 by 3. 3 times cancelled, 8 2 times cancelled. 2 into 25, that is 50 by 3 square units. This is the area of the triangle. The slope of the tangent at 1, 2 to the curve x is equal to t square minus 70 plus 7 and y is equal to t square minus 40 minus 10 is. This is TSM set 2019 question. Here is given x is equal to t square minus 70 plus 7. First we find the value of t, that is x is given 1. 1 is equal to t square minus 70 plus 7. This is t square minus 70 plus 6 is equal to 0. These factors is 3, 6, t square minus t minus 60 plus 6 is equal to 0. Take t common, that is t minus 1 minus 6 common, t minus 1 is equal to 0. So t minus 1 into t minus 6 is equal to 0. T values are 1 comma 6. Substituting t is equal to 1 in the y equation, y is equal to t square minus 4t minus 10. Y is given 2, that is equal to 2 is equal to t square minus 4t minus 10. If substituting t is equal to 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, this is not 2, 1 is not satisfied. So put t is equal to 6, is 36 minus 24, 14, 12, 12 minus 10, 2, that is, so t is equal to 6 satisfies both the equations. Now we find slope. Slope is equal to dy by dx. This dy by dx is written as dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt means derivative of y, that is 2t minus 4 by dx by dt is 2t minus 7. 2t minus 4, that is 2 into 6, 12 minus 4 by 12 minus 7 is 12 minus 4, 8 by 12 minus 7, that is 5. So therefore dy by dx slope is equal to 8 by 5 answer.